Right, I haven't done any videos on any alarm clocks in quite a while. I got this at Goodwill yesterday for like $2. They've been lowering prices on these things. But I thought it was interesting because I've never seen one like this. It's a Spartus Easy Set alarm clock. It has his and hers alarms, which is kind of interesting. A dimmer, time set, basic functions. But what's interesting is this knob. This is how you set the time on it. It's kind of neat. I've never seen it before. Let's see what kind of information we can pull off on it here. It's a model number Gemini, model 1068. And then UL listed, made in Hong Kong. Battery backup. But it's interesting how this works, if I can get it to set properly. Basically, you set it to set, which I've already done, and you use this knob on the side, and it changes the time. It's kind of cool. And you can go back and forward. And the alarm does work. So, what was I? Had that on 114. Okay. And there it goes. It works pretty good, actually. I've never seen one like this, and I kind of like these oddball clocks like this, especially when these Spartus made a lot of weird ones. But I figured this was worth making a little video on, so hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and have a good one.